Sorkar jala henne kasngi galatri ujeliu kalaitu bakala de ban phates Maggi sha Public Health Laboratory Test Center kabadan hanong ba Guwahati. Hakajing kundu bat kabate CCTV menteri ketanat kakot kakhya uba el hakulong minta kasngi dang syada ban Shongkar ki bat ki officer ketanat hak bala de ban shimkhya ban phates Maggi nak banta ban lab lagadon jingma ban bam yu. Namar baki don ki kinja chemical ki balakhle ban penbang yu ni jingbam ki bakta ya kakot kakhya. Haba jubab igi jingkeli nakaliang uba el hakulong ya menta ngin pat la ban khang yu Maggi hendra ki shong haki Paidbah bakin perkhan ngin khang ban bam tat andang layo eka Kaiphot la ban rap uni menteri.
Regarding the presence of lead and monosodium glutamate (MSG) in excess of the permissible limit and recall of some batches of Maggi noodles manufactured by the Nestle India Limited by the Food and Drugs Administrations. Manufactured, that is in the UP government, okay, it is Nestle. Nestle, manufactured by the Nestle India Limited and Food and Drugs Administration, Uttar Pradesh. The food safety officers of all the districts has been instructed to draw legal samples of Maggi. Legal sample is the sample drawn as per the Act. The Food safety instruction. Okay. In different batches from all the districts and sent for analysis to the food analyst to the government of Assam, Guwahati. Accordingly, till date 17th, legal sample of Maggi noodles manufactured by Nestle India Limited has been drawn and sent for analysis. Some more samples shall be drawn from West Hills and Jetty Hill district also, and also from the different districts. The receipt of the analysis report may take some time. Food analyst has to deliver the report within 14 days. However, the matter shall be pursued with the food analyst for early analysis. The status of report shall be forwarded to the government for information and further necessary action. This is the report which is submitted by the Deputy Commissioner of Food Safety, Meghalaya, Shillong. So the status report will be forwarded to the state government after the report has been received from the analyst, which is sent to Guwahati. Officers, they have taken immediate actions on the matter which is related to which we have seen in the newspaper about the Maggis. Until unless the report is proof,
okay,
is a proof, it is true, then we cannot take that decision. This is not a decision, the matter related only to the government of Meghalaya. No, until unless we prove it is true, we cannot take such step at present. As the health minister only can request the people to restrain themselves, for, on this. They should restrain the family, the parent also. They should give instruction to their children for timing until unless it is proved.